Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I want to share an album with you. I used the Graphic 45 Seasons, and I just want to say that this album literally has been a year in the making. I started this a year ago this month. I posted a little sneak peek preview video on this the end of September in 2017, and because of so many projects I've worked on and orders and yada yada yada, I haven't been able to finish this album, and this is one that I had designed and I finally finished it. Today I was like, I'm getting it done. I have to get this out of the way before even this paper line is, ancient history. So anyway, I use several paper pads. So I use the 8x8, the 12x12, as well as the patterns and solids for the Seasons paper line. And I just want to say that I don't even know how many I used, because one of the reasons why I didn't get even sooner was because I ran out of paper and I had to order more, and I just recently got it. So without further ado, here is my Graphic 45 Seasons. So this is huge. So I weighed this album just because I was curious, because it absolutely weighs a ton, and this album weighs just over 4 pounds. So that is a lot, and it is huge. Just a little side note, some of the tags and stuff, I did use the Crealies dies. These are the Extreme Labels and Tags dies, and it's CNLE LT09. Just wanted to throw that out there, and I will leave a link down below to that. But let's take a look. So the cover, I used the little cards and stuff that were cut out from the paper pads, as well as I had also used the package of tags and stuff. So let's see. So this is the side and the back. So I have to tell you that it was kind of hard at first to decide what I wanted to do for the cover, only because this is split into 4 parts, one for each season. So then I wasn't quite sure how to decorate the cover, so I ended up going with this, and I absolutely love it. So I did back all these cards with black photo paper. And when you open it up, so let's take a look here. So when you open it up, I also wasn't sure on these, and then I decided to come up with this idea, so I split it into 4 sections on here. So spring, summer, autumn, winter, and then some little bit of the tags and stuff for that part. So let's see how I'm going to show you this. So I guess the best way, probably space-wise, would be doing it like this. Maybe not. I don't know. This thing is so huge. I don't even know how to show it. Let's see, will you stay? No, you're not going to stay. All right, let's try it this way. So on the front, these are all the same. So 2 of them, so let me just open it all the way up first. So it is in 4 sections for spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And I did alternate between craft and black cardstock just for the video. I mean, I'm sorry, not for the video, for the book, for some added neat color textures. So right off the bat, you will see a little flap, and this is magnetic closure right here, and it opens up like this. All right, I guess we'll go like this. So basically, it is 4 albums in one. So right off the bat, you have some tags and cards, and this holds this section together. Room for photos here and here, and then opens up like this and here, and then a lot of space here to go ahead and put your loose photos and things like that. So then just closes all back down. Yep, like this. And then these little cards here, just to keep everything all tucked in place. I'll get that after. And then you come over to this side here, and I have just a little pocket, and the stuff can go right in here for more photo mats and stuff. This lifts up, room for any kind of photos and stuff there. 2 tag pockets, just like that. And then this comes down. Now we have some flips that go different ways. So here's this one, nice big open area for photos. Then I created this little flip waterfall. There you go. And then it opens up like this with an acetate window pocket in the back. Room for your photos. This little guy is glued down. So it goes back like this, and then we go like this. And we have little pockets on the edges here, along with the corner pockets. And then same thing here and here. And then it all closes back up. And then we move on to summer. Now every one of these are set up exactly the same. The flips just go opposite from each other. So for example, like these go out this way, so everything just flips opposite on this side. So spring and autumn are the same, and summer and winter are the same layout. So again, this paper is absolutely gorgeous too. I just love it. Aside from the Halloween in Wonderland, this paper from Graphic 45 has probably got to be one of my favorites. And the sunflowers, which I love sunflowers, so I actually almost did the cover in sunflowers at first because I wasn't sure what to do with the cover, and I figured sunflowers were my favorite flower, so I almost did it in the sunflowers, but then I figured it would take away from it being seasons. So again, and a cute little waterfall, and then the pocket in the back, and that is summer. And you can see it's basically, if this is like this part here, and the underneath this one, this whole little small section is all chipboard, so it's chipboard on chipboard, so it's also a reason why it is so heavy. And then we're going to come over to autumn. And again, this was my design. There was no pattern for this. I just started working on this as I went along. And I might do a tutorial on it. We'll see if there's enough interest or not. This was a lot of work and a lot of paper. So I would have to, first of all, try to find a paper line that I wanted to do to make another huge album like this, where the Seasons one works out perfect, simply because you can just like do photos from the seasons, and you can have special photos in here. This way, and then the pockets again. So cute, and this thing is absolutely stuffed. That's why, for one reason, it is so heavy, because I completely stuffed it with tags and photo mats and everything I could think of. So, and of course it is jam-packed. So, but if you, when you go to add photos and stuff like that, you can kind of maneuver your photos. Like right now, everything's all like in the center, so that's one reason why it is very packed. But when you go to put photos in it and stuff, you can spread your photos around to kind of even out things. So like you could put photos all on here and stuff, so everything wouldn't be all in the same spot. And here, that is so cute. I decided not to add photos to that right now just because of added bulk. The photos will be enough. This, and again. Anyway, this was super cool, super fun to make. I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, this was literally a year in the making to make this album. You can see how huge it is. And then the side. So this actually measures, it's 9 by 9, so it is square. and the spine itself is 3 inches, although it probably could have gone a little bigger. And these ones here are 1 inch wide. Anyway, I hope you like what you see. If you do have any questions, leave them down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And till next time, hit the subscribe button too and the bell. You know how that all works. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.